Okay, this video is going to tell you how to do the ILH weekly score sheet. It obviously will be the video that will be right there. But anyways, we're going to go into this document once you've clicked on it. Or you do not need to make a copy of this because once I open up Schoology, it will send you it. Just understand you're not going to make any submissions because this is either going to be for 1 day in ILH, 2 days, or 3 days, just depending on the schedule. It could be up to 5 days if we ever get to a regular schedule. Please double click at the top, right where it says student name, and you can put your name. You should put your name, okay? And then you can just go ahead down here. The next box is the week of. It's the gray box. Well, the first day that you're actually going to be doing this is August 31st. You're going to put a little dash because it goes through September 4th. And even though that you're not in class on Friday, I'm still going to put that as my week off. Okay? So that's important. So if you have that data in there, it's easy to find in your Google Drive if you kind of lose it. All right. The chart below, fill out the chart for each day you are in ILH. And I'm just going to kind of run you through this. So let's say it's at the end of the hour and Mr. K is telling you go to your score sheet and score yourself for today. Now, Mr. K does have the right to tell you what you're going to get if you've had issues on behavior or keeping up on the work. So just keep that in mind. Let's say it's Monday and it says track your grades every chance you get, log task assignments to completed this study period, and be specific. So I'm just going to say social studies. I had Africa map to do, and I studied my Africa map. And Africa should probably capitalize, but that's okay. And then in math, I had, I don't know, let's say page 4 to 5 place value that I worked on and got finished. I also did my language arts, and I did a nouns worksheet, and you can abbreviate some of these. I'm okay worksheet, and then I also read a novel, and then if I had the name, let's say it was Holes, okay, and it is the name, specific name, so it should be underlined, but it's okay, okay. So that's Monday. So then I'm going to come over here and I think I worked really, really well. So I'm just going to use my letter X and put that in right there. And then over here, I'm going to give myself the 5 points so that I know what I did. Okay. Now, if you're a student that maybe got talked to a couple of times in class today and didn't do as good as I should have, and I could have been better, then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to mark myself an X on the 3 and put 3 points there. Okay. And then if you have me for first hour, then I won't see you back again until Wednesday. So then you would type in your information there and do the same thing for the score sheet. And then remember, just depending on which week it is, A or B, you might have me on Friday, and then you would fill those in. Okay. And then you're just going to go ahead and total up all your points. So let's say you had 5 here and it was only two weeks. You're going to put in 8 points. Now, it is not out of 25. It actually be out of 10 points there, but I'm going to keep the 25 right now and hope that we someday get back to class. Okay. So 8 out of 10 points is what you'll actually get in Power School. If you go to the next page, Independent Learning Hour weekly score sheet continues. My name's at the top. Notice it says Friday. It could be Wednesday. If I don't see you on Friday, you will need to check your Power School grades and then list them in the table. So I'm going to Power School and I click on my, let's see, let's go over here, open up a Power School. Okay, I log in, and then I check my grades. Oops, go back to here. And so my English language arts, I'm getting a B plus. And it says if you had a grade C, why is that? You can say missing assignment, but I got a B plus, so I'm pretty good with what I'm doing there. I got an A in social studies. I got a math grade of an A, In science, I got my first C, and that is because poor test grade. Okay, or it could be missing, missing vocab, something like that. Maybe it's two things. Now, there are three others down here. Some of you will have gym. You can go ahead and put gym. Some of you will have band. Some of you will have the explorers, whether it's art, whatever it may be. But you're going to type those in, and then you're going to put your grades in here. And again, you don't fill this out until the Wednesday or Friday. But Mr. Cable will remind you. Okay? So that is the weekly score sheet. Now, you will not submit this, okay? You will not go back and submit it up here until Mr. K tells you on Wednesday or Friday. All right, that is this video. Thank you.